In a magical forest called Harmony Woods, lived 4 animal friends: Benny the bunny, Lila the deer, Sammy the squirrel, and Mia the bird. They loved playing among the trees, enjoying the gentle breeze and sparkling streams. One day, they noticed something strange. The once clear streams were getting murky, and the flowers seemed sad. Worried, they asked the wise old owl, Olivia, for advice. Olivia shared a secret: the forest is feeling unwell because we haven't been taking good care of it. We need to be its protectors. Determined to help, Benny, Lila, Sammy, and Mia gathered their friends for a forest cleanup. They picked up litter, planted new flowers, and even created signs to remind everyone to keep the forest clean. As days passed, the forest started to shine again. The streams glistened, the flowers bloomed, and the animals danced in joy. Their hard work had brought back the magic. From then on, Harmony Woods became a place where everyone worked together to keep nature beautiful. Benny, Lila, Sammy, and Mia learned that by taking care of nature, they were taking care of their home. And so, the animals of Harmony Woods taught everyone that just like a family, taking care of the earth made it a better place for all to enjoy.